I'm Ron Smith. I'm a production control specialist. My job is to make sure that the parts we need are where they need to be and the right amount at the right time. That's kind of what my role has been here, is to help champion the Kanban system and help people buy into what we're doing, the changes that we're making. I hope that people understand that Kanban and a pull-based inventory system is going to help make everyone's day easier. As we continue to implement this, it's going to help them have the parts they need to do their job. So hopefully it eliminates that stress for them. Before that, I was working CNC. I started here as an operator, worked my way up to CNC programmer. Been here for around 12 years. I love the mission here at TFT. I really like that we make life-saving fire equipment. And I come here every day trying to be better and do better. Every year around FDIC, I love having all the international groups here, and I believe it was last year or the year before, we had groups from multiple continents and having different translators helping us speak to them. And it was cool to really show them what we do here. What TFT Proud is to me is coming in here every day knowing that I make a difference. And I really appreciate that this place has invested in their employees, and they really make you feel valued.